Good evening, sir. Myself Shivshankar Reddy from AROP section, rule number 20951A2182. Today topic is effectiveness of writing. Significance of writing. Writing skills are an important part of communication. Good writing skills allow you to communicate your message with clarity and easy to far larger audience than through face-to-face telephone communication. Definition of writing. Writing is a medium of human communication that represents language and semi with signs and symbols. It consists of letters of characters that serve as a visible signs of ideas, words, and syllables. Symbols. Objectives. Through effective writing, one can provide solutions to various types of problems and challenge. Effective writing skill enables to individual to everyone barriers that may arise with the course of achievement of desired goals and objectives. Writing is a visual representation of speech. In writing and speaking, the language learner is engaged in communicating his ideas and feelings. In the case of speaking, a kind of give and take situation exists between the listener and the speaker. But in the case of writing, the message communicated is higher and to be effective. It involves producing language rather than receiving it. Writing involves communicating a message. Therefore, learner to write involves learning to use grammar, Vityas and present fact in sequential order. Writing is required to communicate with other people, to understand them, talk to them, read what others have written and to write to them. In personal or business settings, the ability of to effective communicating through written correspondence is a must. Writing communication can take on many forms including email, text messages, memes or letters. No matters what format you are using, there are a few basic rules you should follow to ensure your writing communication is correct and effective. 10 guidelines for writing communications. Providing specified details whenever possible. Avoiding writing is ambiguous or unclear details. Instead of writing, I have a lot of experience working in the field. Say, I have worked as an engineering for 3.5 years. Be conservationally. Writing communication is different from academic or scholarly writing. It should be more conversation in nature. As a rule of thumb, writing is similar fashion a talk. Read your message aloud to ensure what you are writing sounds conservationally. Avoid passive language. Choose an active verbs instead of passive verbs to add interest to your written communication. Write. I drive to the beach on Saturday instead of when I was driving to the beach on Saturday. Using active voice will allow you to sound more conversational as we are rarely use passive voice in verbal communication. Be personable. If you have the person you have writing to, acknowledge this relation. Instead of using blanket pronouns such as you, use this pronoun's name. Make the information you include in your writing communication permanent to the reader. Depending on the relationship you have with person, being and end you are writing with an opportunity greetings. Appropriate humor. Using humor in moderation and only when you are appropriate for the situation. If you are unfamiliar with your reader, avoid making jokes as not to offend the reader. If you have a good relationship with your reader, feel free to use humor in your written communication. Even if you have the reader well, avoid offensive or conventional humor. Proofreading. No matter how good it writing you may do, it is critical to proofread your writing communication. Check for spelling or grammatical errors in your writing. Make sure that what you have written effectively communicated the intended message. Thank you, sir.